Hello, and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. Today, I bring you the Havit TW 917 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. Yet again, another pair of cheaply made, dubious quality stereo earbuds. Let's take a look at them. Unlike our previous pair of earbuds, we were actually able to find quite a lot of stuff about these online, thankfully, as well as current listings for them still being on sale. You can find these online anywhere from $30 to $45. You guys know I'm a sucker for good packaging, so this is kind of okay packaging, nothing out of the ordinary, nothing too fancy. Just gonna take these out. Now, like I said, I was able to find plenty of information about these online, so I know for a fact we are running Bluetooth 5.0, as well as a USB-C port. You hear that, right? These are the only ones in our 3-part mini series and headphones in this price range that are standard with a USB-C port. Thankfully in the box we got a USB-C to USB-A cable. Very, very nice touch. I like that a lot. We also got different earbud tips so that you can adjust the size depending on whichever one's the best fit for you. We also get a product warranty card, nice to have, as well as, look at that, a user's manual in a little cardboard box. Why would it come like that? I have no idea, but here we go. Nice, fairly basic user's manual we have specifications. Yes, we do. And again, like I said, we are running Bluetooth 5.0. Our earbud battery is 40 milliamp hours each battery, and our battery case is a 400 milliamp hour battery case. Nice. Each earbud is weighing in at 4 grams, and our case comes in at 39 grams. And it says we have 3.5 hours of play / talk time, which is good to have. It's right on par with the other ones, honestly. It's nothing too impressive. It's right along there. Let's go ahead and look at the charging case itself. I'm very curious to see what it looks like. Okay, so this is definitely more like the AirPods case. Oh wow, this has more of a satisfying clicky sound to it. I love that. The plastic is, again, just like the AirPods plastic. It is really smooth and looks like very glossy. Looks like it's gonna get scratched to heck just by the dust in my hands, just by the roughness of my hands. Again, power button in the back to mimic the AirPods. And finally, we have the wireless earbuds themselves, which look very nice. Here's the right, here's the left. We have a rubber earbud at the end. I believe these are capacitive touch, and you should be able to touch them for gestures, play, pause, forward, skip. And at the very bottom, we get our microphone holes as well as our gold-plated contact. I don't know if they're gold-plated, but they look like they're gold-plated charging contacts. Let's go ahead and pop this in. This is the one on the left, and this is the one on the right. Okay, and it looks like it's fairly fully charged. So I don't know how much charge is in these. We're gonna give them a little bit. I don't know what I don't want to happen. What happened in the last test for our previous earbuds, where they weren't acting very well, and I'm still having them on the charger. I'm still trying to see if they're gonna behave any better. But on the bright side, at least we see that both of these are lit up as they are charging. And again, we get a nice little 3 LED battery indicator to let us know how high or how low our battery is. And again, the good news is that at least they both appear to be charging at the same time, a problem that we were having with our previous pair of headphones that we were testing. I have high hopes for these, seeing as how they have rubberized tips, and it's USB-C. I don't know, I have a good feeling about these. I feel like they're gonna be good. I'm very, very excited to try them, especially because they got that that's great. Let me see. Let me take that off. I know my AirPods are disgusting. I need to clean them, but oh yeah, this is much more satisfying. Maybe because it's bigger. Yeah, definitely it's because it's bigger. Yeah, that's gonna be the rest of this video, just me doing this to the wireless earbuds. But yeah, they feel great. It is cheap, plasticky, but it feels sturdy. Not really sturdy. That's not the word I would use, but it just feels good. It feels good in the hand. Not AirPods quality but still satisfying to hold. Still has a good feeling in the hand. Let's leave them in the charge, and we'll give them the benefit of the doubt. We're gonna pair them to our phone a little bit. Again, we don't want to happen what happened in the previous test, okay? So we will be right back with these. Okay guys, and we are back. I'm very excited to try the Havit TW 917s. Dude, I'm so excited. I memorized her name. And as we can see, they're still charging. But yes, thankfully, both the right and the left have been charging this whole time. Let's go ahead and pop them into our ears. Again, this is the left. This is the right. Okay, and then let's go ahead and I guess you press the button. And they made a little chime. And we see it available on our other devices and our Bluetooth. And they are now paired. Okay, let's go ahead and listen to Humble. Okay, so they're fairly good. They're fairly flat. Nothing feels turned up. Maybe the bass feels turned up just a little bit to compensate for the fact that it's such a small driver. The bass isn't very strong. Maybe like the mid-lows, the low mids, they sound a little bit good, but it's still a very small driver, you know? Like you can't get away from the fact that this is just such a tiny, tiny little thing, you know? And it's just, it's okay, they're good. They're definitely good. They definitely sound bigger than what they are. And having them in my ears right now, just having them in, I can't hear myself talk again. They're pretty loud, they're pretty good at, yeah, They're loud. I can't hear myself talk at all, so they're pretty good. Let's see if it'll do the one at a time. And let's see if we can put this back up on our ear, which does a chime, and it comes on that one. And then we can see if we can put that one away. And then let's see if we can put it back in our ear. Let's see if we can do the other one. Yep, we can definitely do that. Okay, that's good. So I was expecting that, as well, as this was the only one that actually advertised no master slave system, meaning that we can do the whole switching in and out without having to press anything. Now, the Zizos were just absolutely terrible. I couldn't even get them to pair. But the quick cells seemed also able to do that, and I was a fan of that. And these are able to do that. And the other ones that we have were just the big over-the-ear headphones, and those don't have any sort of left and right. You put them on both at the same time. But I'm impressed. I like these. I definitely like the whole being able to switch them in and out. I like the fact that they are seamless. They pair fairly quickly, and that they charge right away without me having to worry about it. One thing I did want to go over perhaps was, I think, yeah, you tap it once and it pauses. You tap it again to play, and I believe if you double tap, it's to oh, did I press something? No, I thought it was just one. I thought it was double tap to turn it up, and I guess you hold it to skip. Okay, I think that's the double tap is for the voice assistant, and you hold it to either skip or skip forward or skip backward. Skip forward on the right headphone and then skip backward on the left headphone. I would do the skip back, but I kind of like the song a lot. Okay, I think that if you hold, it'll either do back or forward. Oh yeah, woo! Yeah, so I like these. These are definitely the clear winner, man. Come on, like between the Zizos and between the Quixel Q earbuds, these are definitely a winner. Number one, micro USB, the other ones Type C charging on this one. Huge plus for that, as this shouldn't be considered a luxury. This should be considered a requirement and a standard across all devices, in my opinion. On top of that, that very satisfying click. I'm enjoying that. They'll get the same kind of score in regards to the finish of the case, as they're all that glossy, cheap plasticky finish to them, and I'm not a huge fan of that. But I do like that these have that gray on the inside that serves as a nice accent, you know, especially because the Havit on them is also gray. It's a very nice touch. And I think these have a little magnet on them that keeps them not only closed, but provides that extra snap when you close them. And on top of that, these were the easiest and quickest to pair, actually. Maybe the Q earbuds were a little bit quicker to pair, but it seems that these are a little bit better when it comes to switching them in and out of the ears. So I would say, again, that definitely these are the clear winner, especially if they're all the same price range, anywhere from 30 to 40 bucks. The Havit TW 917s, I'm pretty sure, have it. And then this is how the Havit TW 917s look like when they are on your ear as you're using them on a day-to-day basis. And it's just like the Q earbuds. I feel like these will stay in your ear quite nicely. They don't seem like they're gonna be going anywhere. Maybe this one feels slightly loose. Now my head hurts from tapping it so much on this end, but basically this will be the side profile of them when you are walking on the street and as you are going up and about. I don't know if I should get a little bit closer so you guys can get a better side profile, and then this is the other side. All right, that's what they will look like. And again, they're not gonna go anywhere anytime soon. Pretty sturdy pair of headphones. If there's other items or other topics you'd like for me to cover, go ahead and let me know in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.